Log Day 4. I did do a video for today, but I thought that was really small, as well as I didn't even talk in it, so I thought I'll do another one. So today I'm going to share my festive must-haves with you all. So festive season is right here, like it has already begun, and because I was just going through a lot of your comments and all of you were asking me for some festive season must-haves in your makeup kitty, so I thought I'll share these absolute must-haves from my side with you guys, because obviously I love you guys. Also, just a heads up, all of these products are available at an amazing discount on Nykaa. I've also done a haul if you want to see that, but yes, these are some of the things that I love personally and I would like to recommend to you guys as well. Starting off with primers, I have two options for you guys. One is from Colourba and the other one is from L'Oreal. This primer is great for normal to dry skin as well as for combination skin, and so is this primer. This is great for people who have combination to oily skin. Both of these primer keep your makeup in place for all day long and I love both of them. I have a review on this one, so I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar. Then for foundation, again I have two recommendations for you guys. One is this Dream Satin Skin. This is great for people who have normal to dry skin. And then I have NYX Stay Matte but not flat. This is great for people who have, you know, normal to oilier skin types. Both of these are usually loved by me. You can see by the amounts I've used, like I love them both. They give a really nice, natural but yet flawless finish, which is the type of finish I love personally. It's not too full coverage, but it's just like medium to full coverage. So yes, both of these are loves. Again, for concealers, I have two options for you guys, and one was about to fall down. So one is this Revlon Color Stay Concealer and the other is LA Pro Conceal. Now this is not my concealer shade. Because I can't find a concealer shade, I thought I'll just show you the packaging. So anyways, this one gives a very medium coverage, sheer medium coverage, which is great for everyday use. But if you are going for a party or something like that and you want full-on ham coverage, then this is your thing to go. I love this. This is so nice and brightening, like not this color but my actual color. My actual color is natural. This is Toast, I believe. Yes, so this is Toast. This is great for contouring if you want. Like if you are my shade, then this is great for contouring. So anyways, this just makes your under eyes look as if you've had 24 hours of sleep and no work and no stress in life. So yes, I love both of these, again for different purposes, which I stated earlier. To set all of this in place, I love the Faces Loose Powder. This is great because this can be used both by dry skin people and oilier skin, but just, you know, a little bit of jazzing it up is required. For dry skin people, you just need to dab it wherever you've concealed to lock that in place. And for people who are like on the oilier side, you can bake your face with it as well as like set whole of your face with it, because this is like a colored powder. I also love Bharat and Doris powder, but that is translucent or it has some sort of tint in it. So if you want that just for baking, you can buy that as well, but this is great because you can actually buy your shade and use it all over your face or for baking. The blush is something you must wear whenever you're going out for a party because it just makes you look really healthy and really pretty. So I have three options for you guys. All of them have different textures and, you know, finishes. The first one is this MUA Whipped Velvet Blush. Now this is a cream to powder finish and it's a beautiful color. This is in the shade Hedonic and it's a beautiful pink color, like you can see. The finish of this is pretty powdery matte, so it looks really pretty on the skin. Next up, I have the L'Oreal Le Blush True Match. This is in the shade Rosewood. This has sort of shimmery, satiny finish to it and a very pretty color. It's very natural. It doesn't look OTT on the skin. It's very pretty. Then I have this Makeup Revolution blush. This is out and out matte. This is in the shade Love and this is even more natural. If you don't want anything pink or something like that, you want very natural flush of color, this is your thing to go, and it's completely matte, so it won't have any shimmers or anything on your face. Now if you don't want to go separately for a highlighter, a blush and a contour, you can just get this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's an iconic palette. Blush, Bronze, Brighten in the color Smolder. The colors are beautiful. There's a contour shade, a highlight shade and a blush shade. So you're sorted with just one palette. If you guys know me, you would know that eyebrows are really important for me. I have again two options for you guys depending on what you prefer. So one of this is Fashion Brow by Maybelline. It has powder on one side and a pencil on the other. So there are two textures available here. I really like this pencil. It's very handy dandy and it's great for everyday wear, as well as, you know, eyebrows are like everyday wear anyways. But yes, I love this pencil. It's really nice. And then if you want a pomade finish or pomade, however you're supposed to pronounce that, I don't know, pomade finish. Then you can go for the Freedom eyebrow pomade in ash brown. This is ash brown, this is grey. I love this stuff again. This just keeps your eyebrows in place because it's like a gel finish, so your eyebrows won't go everywhere. With this, you do need to set it with like a brow gel or something if you're going all out for a party, but with this you don't need to set it because it stays in place. Moving on to eyes, I have two palette options for you. One is out and out completely nude, so this only has nude shades, goldens, browns, blacks. So it has all of those colors. It's a beautiful palette and you can use the colors for various other reasons. You can pick up shades from this to highlight your face as well. I have a complete review with other ways to use this as well, so I would link that video as well for you guys in the bottom bar. So yes, this is a beautiful palette. I really like it. And then I have the Makeup Revolution Salvation palette in the shade Welcome to Pleasure Dome, and this is what it looks like. So it also has some colors here, so if you are planning to wear a colorful outfit and you want to go for colorful makeup with it, then you have that here. And then you have mattes. So both of these palettes have a nice mix of shimmery and matte shades both. The mattes in this one I can't talk. The matte shadows in this palette are really creamy and really buttery soft and really pigmented, and I said really a lot of times. Whoops! So yes, that goes there. For mascara, I've been recently loving the False Lash Butterfly Waterproof Mascara. I just have this mascara on my eyes and my lashes look wow boom. So I really like this mascara. If you want to go for a more affordable option, then Maybelline Colossal is also a good deal. But yes, I've been loving this. The brush on this is really amazing. It really separates your lashes and just like coats each one of them perfectly. For liners, I'm going to give you one liner which can double up as your kajal, your liner, whatever. It's the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner. This is great, you guys. This stays on forever and ever and ever. Again, as I said, you can apply it on your waterline, on your lash line as a liner, and it comes with its own brush, so you don't need to separately buy a brush for it as well, which is double yay. I will have links to all of this in the bottom bar, so you can like directly go and shop these products, because I know it's a little difficult to find products on your own. So yes, now next up I have lipsticks, and I have quite a few recommendations from different color categories, so let's go. The first recommendation is a nude color. If you're going for a colorful eye and you want to pair it with a nude lip, then I have this Note Matte Moist Lipstick in the shade Miss Kiss. I have it on my lips right now and I really like how it looks. It's a very pretty nude. It's not like washing out nude, but a very pretty nude. So this is what it looks like, and the color is really nice. I really like it. The finish is good. It's not drying out, but it's still matte, so it's moist matte that way. Anyways, next up I have this Color Shore Choco Latte. It's a beautiful satin finish and the color is like a brownie pink. It looks really nice on the lips. Like, I love how this looks on my lips, and it smells delicious. The name's delicious. I want to have a chocolate latte now. Yay! Then I have this Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in the shade 103, which is like a really beautiful pink. It's a very natural pink. It's not over the top. Again, if you want to wear a little bit of color with your colorful eye, you just don't want to go for a nude, then this is a really pretty color. I really love it. I wear this a lot. You guys can see I wear this a lot. If you want to go nude on the eye and you want all of the color on your lips, I have 4 recommendations for you guys, and all of them are from like different color categories. The first one is from Lakme 925 range. This is in the shade Coral Incentive. It's a beautiful corally pink color. I really love wearing this. The finish is really nice. I really like this color. It's a very pretty color. Then I have this L'Oreal Glamour Fuchsia shade from their Moist Matte range. I guess, I don't know. So it's like a very beautiful, vibrant purple. Again, it's not over the top. It's like a pinky purple. So a lot of people can still carry this, still have purple on the lips and not look crazy like I do a lot of times. But yes, this is again a very beautiful shade. I really like it. I've worn it a couple of times and I've always gotten compliments for it. Alright, so next up I have this Bharat & Doris Retro Matte Lip Gloss. This is a very deep red pink wine shade. It's a mixture of all, and it dries really matte and it stays on the lips for all day long, so it's great for the festive season. Really like this shade. Lastly, obviously, I had to incorporate a red. So I have this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Color in the shade Keeping It Red. This is invincible, guys. This just doesn't leave your lips no matter what. It stays on and on and on and on. So it's great if you're going for festive parties and stuff where you're gonna eat a lot of pakoras and samosas and oily food and still want your lipsticks to stay on fleek. So yes, this is great for that. With that, I complete my festive season recommendations. I hope you guys enjoyed these recommendations and you will get some of these, or you must already be having some of these because I've been raving about these products like since forever. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you're enjoying Divalog as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow with the new Divalog video. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.